Hello friends, welcome back to HS World. Today I'll be talking about what is the safety and what is the safety management system. After watching this video, you will be able to understand what is the safety, what is the safety management system, what is the construction safety, what is the safety objectives. So please watch till end and learn something new. Please do like and subscribe my channel for upcoming new video on safety management system. Learning is the key of success. Keep learning and keep growing. Now let's go to see what is safety. Safety is the state of being safe and the condition of being protected from harm or dangers. So safety is a situation or condition which provide the safeguard to the employees and worker and the society from any type of the danger or harm. Let's see the next definition. Safety is a state in which hazards and conditions leading to harm, such as physical harm, psychological harm, material harm, and environmental harm, are controlled in order to protect the health and well-being of individual and the community. The next one is what is construction safety. So let's go to see what is the construction safety. Construction safety involves any safety procedure that is related to the construction industry or construction sites. Construction safety aims to ensure that a construction site is not the cause of immediate danger to workers at a construction site and the public around a construction site. So construction safety is a procedure which ensures the safety of their employees, their workers and public around the construction sites. The next one also about construction safety. So construction safety is an aspect of construction related activities concerned with the protecting site workers and other from death, injury, disease or other health related risks, where site worker may be exposed to various risks such as working at height. So at the construction site, what is the risk? We can see working at height is the risk, moving machinery, vehicles, crane, etc. and materials, power tools and electrical equipment, hazardous substance and the effect of excessive noise, dust and vibration. The leading causes of construction site fatalities are falls, electrocution, crush injuries and cut between injuries. Next we'll see safety management. So a safety management is the accomplishment or achievement of safety objectives by first establishing the safety objectives and then by attaining them through the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Example, motivating and coordinating all efforts to attain those objectives and also innovating to improve them for the future. Now we'll see the safety organization. The safety organization can be defined as a definite, planned and organized setup whose purpose is to enlist and maintain the combined efforts of organized personnel for the purpose of total loss control, including accident and environmental protection in an industry and establishment. Well, safety organization is a setup whose purpose is to maintain the safety at industry and to control the loss, damage, including man, material and environment. Next we'll see safety organization. Safety organization can be defined as the structure and process by which groups of people, means employees, are divided into sections or departments. Each section or department is assigned a specific safety function or duty. Authority and responsibility of everybody is clearly defined and interrelationship between them is specified for the accomplishment or achievement of organizational safety goal. So safety organization is a structure where the safety process has defined and every person has assigned to maintain and follow their responsibility about the safety, to maintain and follow the safety rules and regulations to save the life of the employee, worker and to save the man, material and environment. Next one is safety management system. A safety management system SMS is designed to manage safety risk in the workplace. Occupational safety being defined as the reduction of risk to a level that is as low as is reasonably practicable. That is called ALARP, to prevent people getting hurt. alarm as low as reasonably practicable. That is called alarm. A safety management system is a systematic approach to managing safety, including the necessary organizational structure, accountabilities, policies, and procedures. So, a safety management system is a system where all safety policies, accountabilities, structures, rules, regulation, law is maintained to save the life of the workers, employees, to save the environment, and to control the damage of materials or properties. Safety management system, a systematic and explicit approach defining the activities by which safety management is undertaken by an organization in order to achieve acceptable or tolerable safety. Now we'll see the next safety management objective. Objectives. The objective of a safety management system is to provide a structured management approach to control safety risk in operation. The objective of the safety management system is a structured management approach to control safety risk in operation. Effective safety management must take into account the organization's specific structure and processes related to safety of operation. So I do hope that after watching this video, all the point like what is the safety, what is the safety management system, what is the objective, and what is the construction safety would be clear. So thanking you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel for upcoming new video on safety management system.